just finished grinding the valves in. So I cut the seats with the valve cutting set that I had, and I've just ground the valves in using grinding paste, just the fine stuff in my case. And now I've been checking the seats with Engineer's Blue, checking I get a nice even blue marking when I place the valve back in the seat. Rotate it very slightly, leaving an even blue rim on the surface. So now I'm going to wash the cylinder head thoroughly, make sure there's no dirt left from things like here where I've cleaned up the exhaust and inlet ports with grinding wheels. I've also got the rocker shaft rebuilt and ready to go with the new central shaft fitted.